Good morning, guys. Every single day you wake up, what's the story? The story is your altcoins are getting hammered yet again. But, this is what we expected. There's, I think, a lot of people out there right now when you guys are looking at YouTube videos and you guys are looking at your analysis where nobody has taken any time potentially to look at the bearish scenario of what could be playing out here. Quick little recap. We run Trade Confident. I almost want to call it like a little boutique business in a sense. We lead about 1,400 individuals and families through the cryptocurrency market. We bring the Lord into it, and we use prayer, and we believe the prophetic, and the Lord wants to help us trade crypto. I think God cares about cryptocurrency and how it impacts our lives. So we definitely bring that into what we do. But if you guys have been following us lately, we ended up exiting, this was just last week, we exited $120,000 from the market. And this was specifically just on altcoins because we saw charts that said we're probably going to come into, this was last week, a continuation of a 40% drop in altcoins. Even though Bitcoin, I know guys, Bitcoin's going up, altcoins are still suffering. It's because the data behind the scenes, not from what you guys see when you pop up in TradingView and you look at your phones. The data behind the scenes says that we are not ready for alt season to take over yet. Okay? I'm going to draw something out for you guys. If you guys want to join, it's tradeconfident.io. There's a link in the description, and we give everybody 25% off if you guys are brand new for the first month, so you guys can check it out. What people are waiting for is this parabolic move, okay? Everyone's waiting for it every single morning. It's this parabolic move on altcoins that we're waiting to happen. But if I can just be honest with you guys, it's kind of naive a little bit. Because if you actually look back at what happened in the cycles, let's go like this. If you look back in 2013 and you look back in 2017, altcoins had to bleed to a certain level before we ended up going into that parabolic phase that everybody wants to wake up in the morning and see 30, 40, 50, 60% returns in one day. And that actually continues for about 4 to 6 weeks straight in alt season. I think a lot of you guys watching this video right now, you guys think we're here. We're at the bottom. That's not true. Tomorrow morning, this is why I'm coming out with the video today. Tomorrow morning, which is going to be Friday, March 27th, I will show you guys where we are in the cycle. We are more like over here and over here. While a lot of people think they want the market to be at the low. Why is this important? Because if we were at the low and I saw the market at the low, I wouldn't have sold $120,000. Okay, we have almost $200,000 in buy limits set up because I actually expect a further drop. I've been doing this for 10 years. Okay, our portfolio, like I showed you guys last YouTube video, it is up $200,000 in profit. And we have already taken out $129,000 worth of profit this year. But most people watching this, I'm not trying to be arrogant or prideful or anything like that. Most people watching, their portfolios are down 50 to 60%. So how's my portfolio up 20% on the 200,000? And how have I already captured about 13% profit back to my bank? It's because we sell. We have metrics that say the bottom's not in. And we don't use emotional thoughts of, oh, okay, I really just hope the market turns around here. No, guys, there's lows that, in my personal opinion, at least, I don't think they've been hit yet. And that is why you're going to continue to see your altcoins bleed to Bitcoin. And then look at Bitcoin dominance. Like if you guys are new to cryptocurrency, do you guys know what BTC.D is? BTC.D has to shrink while the price of Bitcoin goes up or you never get an alt season. Do you guys know what that chart says right now? Do you guys know how high it can go to the 65, 69, maybe 70 percentile for BTC.D? What I want to try to do for you guys tomorrow, and again, I should probably call this like a more of a boutique. We don't charge boutique prices though. We are $65 a month, and we give you guys 25% off of that. So here's what you guys are going to be able to jump into tomorrow morning. We have what's called the future forecast. I trade my $1.3 million account, and I show you exactly every single trade that I take. And I showed you guys my full portfolio. Tomorrow morning in the future forecast, I'm going to show you guys these charts. that say we still have about another 35% potential move down on altcoins. Then what do you do with that? Well, come up here to the spreadsheets. What I'm going to do tomorrow morning is I'm going to give you guys the free chart again. There's a free chart I want to give you guys. I gave it to you here, but this is going to help you guys time alt season. But what I want you guys to come here and take a look at is the buy limits. So when you guys set up, sorry, let me find this real quick. I have a lot of these things highlighted here. Black Swan buy limits. Take a look at this, April 1st. Take a look at these buy limits, guys. Take a look at, if you come down here, the buy limits that I've got set up. So if you guys want to look at literally June 17th, you guys will see where I put that close to $200,000 in the market. And I'll explain to you guys why I think this market could go down further. Because here's the kicker, guys. Let's get back to this real quick. All right. What you guys need to understand is if you position yourselves correctly and we take an unarrogant approach and we look at the market and you guys sell some right now. Okay, watch this. Let me just draw this out for you guys. If you sell some of your cryptocurrency right now and we continue lower, and we just time the low here, and I'll give you guys a trading view chart again tomorrow to let you guys set up an alert for when the alt season is expected to take off. That signal did call 500% on XRP and XLM. It called the 2013 as well as the 2017 alt season. One chart. Hope you guys download that for free in the membership tomorrow. What you guys can do is if you sell here, you can start putting buy limits in on the way down. What happens? Even if your portfolio is down 50 to 60%, you are then capturing coins at a lower price. What's this doing? It's bringing down what we call our BE. It's bringing down our break even. So our break even, our basis for our cryptocurrency is dropped lower. This causes you to get back into profit faster as the altcoin market starts to take off and turn around. The thing is that you guys are missing a lot of opportunity at the lows. I see this a lot, guys. Millionaires, okay? They're not made by timing the top. They're made by timing the bottom. And if you guys can find where this bottom is and take some risk management or take some risk off the table and use risk management, that's where we can capture these lower prices. I'm already set up. Hundreds of our members are already set up. We are capturing any flash crash drop we get here and we're buying up the tokens. But I think a lot of people are just holding. They're not doing anything. And I'm trying to teach you guys this could get worse. I'll show you guys those charts tomorrow. Enjoy the future forecast. And I'm excited to be on here with you guys. Real quick walkthrough. Let's see if I can do this in 10 seconds. You ready? We have trade setups. We are 294 wins and 0 losses. You'll get access to every single trade setup we have. The indicators that have allowed us to go 294 wins and 0 losses, we're going to give you guys $150 off the Pro Pack. We're going to give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder. Done. Was that 10 seconds? So when you guys get into the membership, we give you guys a lot more than just watching me trade my live $1 million account. We have the highest win record that's ever been recorded on cryptocurrency, and we're going to share all those charts as well as those trades with you guys, and then give you guys the indicators as well to be able to execute those trades and give you massive discounts in the membership. All right, guys, we're over here helping families and individuals, and our portfolio is up. If your portfolio is not up, we're doing something you're not doing. And I'm not trying to be arrogant or prideful or anything like that. It's just come take a look at what we're doing, and I think you guys will like this. All right, guys, God bless, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the future forecast, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.